Hello friend, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can create a user in Linux with custom group ID. Okay, uh, so if you want to create a user with custom group ID, you can do that. I have already uploaded a video on how to create a user in Linux with custom user ID, but this time I am going to upload a video like how to create a user in Linux with custom group ID. For that, you can add the command user add, okay, hyphen u, user add hyphen u 900, and then you can give the group ID hyphen g, that is the group ID, and then you can give any group ID. Suppose I am giving 504. Okay, and suppose the username is Rahul. So this command will create a user Rahul with user ID 900 and group ID 504. You can cross check your command with output cat etc passwd, and here you can see the user Rahul, user ID is 900 and group ID is 504, and you can see the command I have run for this to create this user with custom user ID and custom group ID. The command below is user add hyphen u 900 hyphen g 504, which is group ID, then username Rahul. Thank you for watching. That's all.